Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside bench vise. Cast iron body with a steel shaft, replaceable jaws made from hard ended steel. Includes two rubber jaws, screws, approximately is 5.3 kilos, with a borehole for mounting to a workbench. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside. Some screws. Feels quite heavy. Nice. There is a rubber jaws. Very suitable that they've got something like that inside, because definitely you can use them for more sensitive items. Logo of Parkside. We can see we've got two holes here and here. There is no manual inside, of course. It is only a bench vise. Why do you need manuals? Jaw opening is about 100 millimeters, 10 centimeters, and jaw wide is about 100 millimeters, again 10 centimeters. It is about 5.3 kilos. Nice. Let's open it. And this is the maximum that it can go. Nice. Well guys, I'm sure you're gonna find out the right place to your workspace, to your countertop to install it. Feels very nice, very doable. And this area is for hammering. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. It cost about 23 euros if you want to buy it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.